Hello students, in this session
Let us solve a question on principal stresses. In this question, for a loaded cantilever beam of uniform cross-section, the bending moment along the length is given as bending moment is equal to 5x square plus 10x. X is given in millimeter and it is measured from the free end of the beam. The magnitude of shear force in the cross-section at x equal to 10 millimeter we have to find out. So we have a cantilever beam. The cross-sectional area of the cantilever beam is uniform. Bending moment is given. Bending moment at a distance x is given to us. Loads are such that the bending moment is parabolic, that is 5x squared plus 10x. And the x is taken from the free end. X is taken from the free end, right? So it means that if this is cantilever beam, so this x is taken, suppose we are taking x at a distance of certain x, here is the distance, and this is the free end. A is the fixed end and B is the free end. This is the free end. So x is taken from the free end and the bending moment at certain distance x is given to us, that is 5x square plus 10x, right? So what is the value of shear force? We have to find out the value of shear force at a distance x equal to 10 mm from the free end, right? This we have to find out. So this is basically a question of shear force and bending moment diagram, and this was asked in GATE 2017. So let us solve this problem.
in this question we are given with a cantilever beam in which is loaded by some loads which is not given to us what loads are there, but the bending moment at a section x is given to us 5x square plus 10x. This is given to us in that cantilever beam. We have to find out the shear force at a distance of 10 millimeter when this is applicable, right? The bending moment is given to this, right? We know that from shear force bending moment diagram, you have to go in that chapter, that shear force is given by dm by dx. The differentiation of bending moment at a point is the shear force at that point, right? This we already know. So if it is so, then we can differentiate this. So we can get shear force at a distance x will be equal to differentiating this. So differentiation of basically m, which is equal to 5x square plus 10x. So this will come out to be 10x plus 10. So this is the shear force at a distance x. And if x is 10 millimeter, put here x is equal to 10 millimeter, you will get the shear force at 10 millimeter. And this is in Newton millimeter, so that is okay to solve this. And put x is equal to 10 millimeter, and you will get the shear force at a distance 10 millimeter. So that will be equal to 10 multiplied by 10 plus 10. So it will come out to be 100 Newton. So the answer is 110 Newton, right? 100 plus 100, 110 Newton. So this is the answer of this question.